They say old cars are like fine wine. They only get better with age. And if there was ever a car that perfectly fits this saying, it's the 1931 Ford Model A Deluxe Phaeton Convertible. This stunning classic has stood the test of time, becoming a symbol of an era where cars were more than just a means of transport. They were a statement of style, craftsmanship, and American ingenuity. If you're a fan of vintage cars, give this beauty a like, because the Model A is a true testament to the golden age of motoring. Let's take a closer look at what makes this car so iconic. First, the exterior. The graceful curves and elegant lines of the 1931 Ford Model A speak volumes about its timeless design. Finished in its original color combination, the Deluxe Phaeton variant is the epitome of sophistication with its two-tone paint job, gleaming chrome bumpers, and that stylish convertible top that folds down to let you embrace the open road. The chrome wire wheels add an extra layer of vintage charm, while the bold grille with its simple but effective design remains a standout feature. This car exudes class from every angle. Inside, the interior is a step back into the 1930s, a mix of comfort, style, and luxury that was ahead of its time. The rich leather upholstery, classic wooden dashboard, and vintage gauges transport you straight into a different era. The driver's seat is positioned perfectly, offering a comfortable yet commanding view of the road ahead, while the plush seats in the back provide ample space for a leisurely drive. This car wasn't just built for show, it was built for comfort too. Under the hood, the 1931 Ford Model A Deluxe Phaeton Convertible features a 201 cubic inch four-cylinder engine that produces a modest but reliable 40 horsepower, a great deal of power for its time. The smooth and steady ride is what made this car a favorite among American families in the early 30s, and the engine's simplicity means it's easy to maintain, even for modern-day classic car enthusiasts. With a 3-speed manual transmission, the car offers a nostalgic driving experience that connects you to motoring's rich history. As for the price, this beauty is an investment in automotive history, with well-preserved models like this one fetching anywhere from $20,000 to $35,000 depending on condition and originality. While that might seem like a lot, remember, this car is not just a means of transport, it's a piece of history, a rolling masterpiece. If you're lucky enough to own one, you're not just driving a car, you're experiencing the art of vintage motoring at its finest. So, what are you waiting for? Like and share if you're as passionate about classic cars as I am, and don't forget to drop your thoughts in the comments about this iconic Ford.